has enjoyed so much today. I was so grateful to the word of God I have heard today. It has brought comfort to my heart. Apart from the fact that I have received salvation for a long time ago, it has reminded me of those memories. The time when I received salvation, I recalled it and felt all the happiness. My heart was always thirsty, searching for a way to find the best opportunity to go to heaven. I went in a lot of churches finding for how to receive peace of my heart. I am so grateful that I am so happy because I recalled those beautiful moments where I received salvation. These moments brought happiness to my heart, and us women and mothers were told about these moments. I'm grateful to God for always receiving the word of God rather than my own thoughts. Thank you. May God bless you.
They could explain to me through Romans chapter 5.
What I have learned today, the grace of God, how Jesus has saved us and He died for all our sins. And the way they have prepared these conferences, the food, the hospitality, the way they welcome people, it was so amazing. I appreciate and I thank God for the servant of God. God has sent him in this country. The people may know really what the grace of God means, not to confuse that if you have received that grace, we can continue to be in darkness. We can continue to sin as if Jesus doesn't have power to give that one who have received him to change. It is amazing to listen to him. I encourage many people to come and listen the gospel is preaching so that they may understand very well the sermon of grace, and they can even ask questions they are not understanding.
This conference was special. It was better than the last year because of the preachings. When I was preparing for the conference, it was like we were adapting. We didn't know that everything will going on smoothly because of, as human beings, we are always like preparing for the bad situation better more than good situation. So it was so hard, even preparing for the song, preparing for the uniform, everything. It was somehow hard, but I think God worked for us today. I learned how to remove everything in my heart so that the word of God and something which is good for me can have a place to enter and sit in.